Nick spends 10 hours a day on his phone, even watching videos in the shower. Wow, Nick, I didn't know you could bring the phone in the shower, but apparently
I
you
didn't
can.
either.
You,
Yeah, it's turned into like an issue. Whenever like I go to take a shower, I end up with the phone in the shower. So
because you can't be without the phone long enough to shower.
I guess I can. I just like the attention span. Not my, I like to watch the videos. They're interesting to me.
Okay. Would you? Okay. So for Carrie, let's hear from you. What concerns you most about Nick's phone usage? Thank you both for being here, by the way. Thank you, Nick, for
Well,
joining.
thank you for having us. Thank you and gratitude for having us and letting us talk to Jonathan and yourself about this. What concerns me the most is really the mental health issue, anxiety, depression, especially